Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have verification and 2FA, now act. Open Binance and pick the correct market, spot, margin, or futures. Then go straight to open orders or positions. Once there, identify the trade you want to cancel by pair and order type. Make sure it's not a filled trade. Click the order row to reveal cancel controls. This first step prevents accidental closure of active positions and sets up the exact item you will cancel next. Now select the specific order. If it's a simple limit or market order, click Cancel. If multiple matching orders exist, use Cancel All with caution. For conditional or stop limit orders, open the trigger or conditional list, those live off-chart. Confirm the order ID, quantity, and price details. This avoids canceling the wrong trade. Once done, acknowledge any confirmation prompt and wait for the exchange to update your open orders list to show the cancellation. Finish by verifying cancellation in order history and your transaction log. Make sure funds or margin are released back to your wallet. If the UI still shows the order, refresh, clear cache, or relogin. For API-driven trades, pause bots before retrying. If cancellation fails or status remains pending, gather the order ID and screenshots, then contact Binance support. One key tip: always stop automated strategies first, because bots resubmit orders the moment you cancel them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.